I'm gonna try to get into Wildwood. I'm at the foot of the bridge now. I'm not going into Wildwood, but I can see that it's totally flooded. Here I am in Wildwood. This is the corner that's usually prone to flooding right here by Yuri's. Here's the Boathouse restaurant if you're familiar with the area. It's all flooded. There's already cars stuck there. That guy, I think he's with the fire department or something. If you guys are curious about what's going on in the Wildwood, just watch this video. Don't come in. Again, this area has been evacuated. It's a mandatory evacuation. You can see that the entire island, from here all the way down Rio Grande all the way down Rio Grande, is all flooded. This is the same area that I was at yesterday, and you can see that now it is totally flooded. There's somebody trying to get off the island, I'm guessing. The wind is really strong. Let's see if this guy makes it. Oh, look, he's doing it. You can do it. Just half a more block to go. As you can see, he's driving in the middle of the street, which of course is the highest part. Here comes somebody else. You made it! Congratulations, you made it!